Hello SPF family, and welcome back to Super Buddies Forever and our 28th dorm room tour and bed tutorial. Today is obviously Kitty Cheshire, and I don't have her on the bed today, and that's for good reason. I'm going to show you this bed first because I want to show you that it's pretty simple actually. There's not a whole lot of special going on there besides obviously the Cheshire cat stripes. Now if you watched the tour of her doll, you know, or the review, you know that I really wanted to try and do something a little bit different than everybody's same that's been done in the past. So this was my interpretation. The bed is simple because I think all the effort went into the chair this time. Everybody likes to put her on the tree look. I like the tree look, but somehow it worked just a lot better on the chair. And I have fun making the chairs because those are different than everybody either. So I don't think the bed on its own is very substantial really, besides getting the stripes and making it crafty and playful as a theme all around. But I think together it all makes sense and becomes what I wanted it to be, and this chair being just the most outrageously cool thing I've ever. Let me pull back. Cheshire cat look going on here. I love that. It's a nice touch to make that different too. Quick shout out to Alexis Garcha. Thank you for being part of the SPF family. So back to what I was saying. The chair. The chair is it. The chair was my fun thing on this all. Of course, watch the tutorial at the end to see how that was built. I did paper mache just like Lizzie's. And I wanted to split that up in terms of technique, but well, this was the order. I didn't want to have too many red and black and purple going in order, so that's why I chose to do this one next. And I love this chair. I just can't get enough of this cool tree chair. What a perfect spot to have the Cheshire cat. Now like I said, I would usually have them on the bed, but I just think I like her a lot better on that chair. So looking around the room, let's get a quick huge overview. As I said, I wanted to go playful, as cats can be playful, and they can be a little bit of a slob and leave their stuff everywhere for their owners to pick up. I kind of went with that theme, and that's again where this is very simple, but you can change it around so much with, like, of course we did the double-sided pillows, so you can make that look different whichever way you want. And then her toys can kind of go everywhere, as a cat does. So this room can be completely changed depending on where you put stuff, and everything's just playful like a cat. I don't know, I just like that. Not sure how you feel about it, but I like it. So many things can be moved around. So this can have an entire different look. I thought that was good for a cat scratcher or somewhere like a litter. I mean, there's so many different ways you can change this and make it playful. So that's what I went with. And it's kind of endless this way, and that's, I don't know, I kind of felt like she can disappear and turn into all these things, so the Cheshire cat could be all these things, and then she could sit there, and she can sit on her bed, and she could sit on the platform, she could sit over here. She's got all kinds of ways to be displayed. Really good. Oh, let's pull her out and see that fun drapery. Same thing, I did that with like a cat toy, with just the little pieces. Making a mess of her room. So all in all, as a whole, I love this room. I think it's fun. I hope you like it too. And I usually like to get the doll out of here, but in this case, truly, it's Kitty who makes this room. I need some ideas up here. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and see you on the next one.